Sino? Ah, ayun, andun siya, oo. Ayan siya, oo. Si yung mama. Ito na naman siya. Magaling katabi mo yan kasi naririnig nila maganda. Ang galing niyang magngaw-ngaw. Ay, pag ganyan-ganyan pa, hindi naman nakikita yung kamay.
Das ist ein Filmteam.
Well, now the camera's kind of stationary in that spot, so it's going to be a little more on him. He might overact a little.
Please make sure we're going straight onto the path. This is a live road. Let's move on to the path.
Tinatanong kung yan yung nag-streaming noon na naman noon. Nagla-live. Sabi niya, yan ba yung kahapon nag-streaming doon? Doon naman.
Tonight, yeah. If you need to get to Big Ben, you can go straight down there, turn right, and then you can carry on. If you need to get to the other side, just go straight back on yourself, and then meet them by St James's Park.
Which way is 10 Downing?
It's closer now, unfortunately. You can't get there. You can see the back of 10 Downing Street from behind. No worries.
And may I ask a question? If we go to Covent Garden, we have to go...
Covent Garden's over there, so don't come down this way. So go straight back there, past Charing Cross, and then go up Bedford Street, Covent Garden. No worries.
Come, let's go. Come. Sorry. Oh, come, let's go.
How many days?
I did my uncle. I did a race.
Magaling yung babae, no, na ina-entertain niya. That lady, guys, she entertained the people. He's very good. Tanong. Hindi binigay ang permission sa kanya. Buti nga. Kala niya kasi bibigay lahat.
This is a live road.
Dass der aus
Yourself nice and safe and beyond the park.
weißt du, der kommt ja dann aus den Stallungen und Dings, also das
Si Kabayan. Ha? Baka pumunta siya doon.
Wala naman naman daanan.
Meron doon pag ganun tapos ulik ka dyan. Oo. Lusot ka doon.
Ladies and gents, can we be on the path? If you need to go across to Big Ben, just go straight down here and turn right.
So we saw that, but I really
It's a new film for Amazon.
Oh, Amazon. New film for Amazon. Bakit nagganon naman na?